Hey guys, Jen here. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So I'm just jumping straight in here. If you want to know how I got these Dollar Tree nails to last for 2 weeks, then you need to just keep on watching. So these are the nails that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just love the design. They have plenty of designs. You can just go and check them out. So yes guys, I am using acrylic to keep these nails on. Now first you want to go ahead and prep your own nail bed as if you were doing any kind of nails. Push back your cuticles, clip your cuticles. And now I am filing them, buffing them up, roughing them up a little bit to give everything something to adhere to nicely. Now for this I did use my electric file because I have one, but if you don't, you can use a regular nail file, and it's going to be a little difficult, but you can do it. And you want to rough up the inside of the nail just like you roughed up your own nail, just for better adhesion. And I'm just putting on some dehydrator right now. Instead of putting the acrylic right on your finger, you're gonna want to put it onto the nail. And make sure that you don't put too much because you don't want too much spilling, but you do want to make it enough to adhere to your finger. Make sure you're very close, really thin at the tip of them. And then you want to just kind of wiggle it around to make sure everything is as even as possible. And I always like shift it upward, like as if it's going under my cuticle, so it can look a little more natural as possible. So I'm not going to talk for much rest of the video because the rest of the video is going to be self-explanatory, because I am just designing the nails how I want. I'm cutting them and shaping them how I want. I'm adding some rhinestones. So if you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. Check the description box for any other information that I might not have said, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.